There are calls in social media for the Senate and the House to be abolished. This is how
Mhm.
the public really is so fed up with. It
Mhm.
seems everybody had their hand in the honey pot, in the cookie jar.
Mhm. Mhm.
Yeah.
Well, um, yeah, kahit nga shoot down dahil walang basis and so on or um, madidistract, nakaka-distract ito from
Nakaka-distract.
the immediate objective of investigating and holding accountable those involved. However, it does articulate or resonate with yung sinabi mo, no? Yung publiko talaga may pagtingin na grabe, buong lahat ay may involvement, no? Lahat sangkot from the highest, from Malacanang itself, the Senate, the House, the DPWH bureaucracy,
Yeah.
yung ombudsman being, not doing its job, pati yung COA involved, di ba? So lahat in one way or other, involved basta may infrastructure project. No? So talagang naintindihan natin yung panawagan na baka kailangan, hindi ubra dito kahit pa sa totoo lang, kahit pa may makulong, pero kung hindi naman babaguhin yung sistema, ay babalik at mas malala. This is already the lesson from the Napoles pork barrel scam. Yes, may mga nakundik, nakakulong pa si Napoles. May mga senador na nakundik. Eventually, alam natin, yung mga iba dyan, nakalaya na. Pero nawala ba yung corruption? Again, pork-related, pork barrel yon. In fact, ang nangyari, from the PDAF, which was visible, kita, na tinransform into an invisible system of pork barrel allocations dahil invisible na lumaki na lumaki, no? So yung legislators may pork, yung president may pork, ang tawag diyan ngayon ang programmed appropriations, and this is what what we have today.
So anong solusyon? Abolish
Well,
nga. Hindi.
I mean, in the end, you have to abolish this whole pork barrel system, no? And but that's how politics currently works,
Yeah.
no? Bakit ba yung pag may presidente ka, all of a sudden may super majority ka agad kahit yung mga dating hindi ka partido. It's
Correct.
all because of
Yeah.
pork, di ba?